Okay, today we're going to talk about one of our biggest questions that we get. People call and say, help, my chair is stuck in the reclined position and I don't know how to fix it. Let me show you the basic components of a chair. Really, it's quite simple. This chair has 4 components because it has power headrest. Explain the other way so that you can really understand. So the first thing we're going to look at is this: a power supply. Sometimes you'll have this green light even though you don't have sufficient power. This power supply is going to come from the back and it's going to come into what we call a base motor. In this case, has 2 connections. The second one is this button right here. Let's say we need to replace this button control. If you pop it off, it's going to expose these 2 screws. Then lastly, you know you need to replace a motor. Now, when you put them back in, you want to be really careful because you don't want to overscrew it because this is a plastic mechanism here. Make sure that we have power to the correct power. Plug that guy in. We can give it a shot. The power headrest is working, that's good. And the power recline